Okay, so here's number 3B from the review, and you're supposed to sketch a graph given the information that you see in front of you there. So there's a few things that, just like in your journal question that I had you do, that you can tell right away just by looking here. Okay, for example, I have a negative coefficient. My degree is 3. Okay, this is a degree of 2 times a degree of 1. Okay, so you add those two together and you get a degree of 3. So this is going to behave like y equals negative x. Okay, this is a negative cubic function. It's going to behave like y equals negative x. In other words, like this straight line right there, in that it's going to start in quadrant 2 and end up in quadrant 4. Okay, let me get rid of that line. So that's why I know I'm starting somewhere over here and I'm ending somewhere over here. That's all I know. Okay, I don't need those dots here. Let me just get rid of those. Okay, the next thing I know is I look at the roots. The roots are going to help me out as well. I see that I have a root at negative 3. So negative 1, 2, 3 right there. And a root at positive 4. 2, 4. Okay, there's 4. Here's negative 3. Those are my two roots. Okay, so my graph is going to touch or cross at those points. I also notice that this is x plus 3 squared. This is a double root, or double 0. It means it only touches there. It does not cross. At positive 4, x equals 4, it's going to cross there, but it's just going to touch at negative 3. So I know I'm starting up here. I know I'm ending down here, just like y equals negative x. So I'm going to start my line. I'm going to just touch on x equals negative 3, and then cross at x equals 4, and end up down there somewhere. Okay. Now I could be more accurate if I wanted to and get the y-intercept. In other words, if x was 0 here and 0 here, okay, that would get me, let's see here, 3 times negative 4, oh sorry, 3 squared is 9, times negative 4 is negative 36, times negative 1 is positive 36, so I could say this point here is 0, 36. Not drawn to scale, obviously. Okay, but that's a little bit extra information. You don't need to do that. Just the basic shape and where it touches the axis, and if it touches or crosses is all you really need. Okay, so there's number 3B done. Let's have a look at number 4. I'm going to do number 4C because it's a tough one.